Hey there, I'm Myra. Dealing with customers who use profanity, who are inappropriate, maybe they're making racist remarks or sexist remarks, or they're over talking you. They're just in your face and it's stressing you out, it's making you uncomfortable. When you're dealing with this type of customer, you have to set a boundary. You have to set a boundary for how you will be treated, how you will be respected, and you have to uphold that boundary. We cannot set a boundary and then let the customer walk over us. So we're going to set boundaries. Right here, I have 20 phrases for you, 20 phrases that I share in my de escalation workshops. So I've got those phrases below. When you set a boundary, it is important that you are assertive. We cannot be passive and we can't be aggressive. To be passive is really to be a doormat. And when we are a doormat, customers are going to walk right over us. We're not going to be respected. In fact, we're going to continue to be frustrated. But we also cannot be aggressive. In most interactions, even with difficult customers, being aggressive is going to be too much. Now, it might get the job done, depending on how aggressive you are, but it may not be perceived as professional, may not reflect your brand voice. So, for most interactions, I would stay away from an aggressive response. It's appropriate if someone is getting physical, if they've seriously crossed the line. But most of the time, I want you in the middle in what is assertive. I want your words and your tone of voice to be assertive when you use my 20 phrases, if I can get that out right. My definition of assertive is to say what you mean what you say without being mean when you say it. All right, check out my 20 phrases below. If you need more help beyond these phrases, more help dealing with difficult customers, check out the resources that I have at the bottom of this post. All right, until next time.